One at a time,
So you
Shay.
see,
Hold
the
on
girl,
now. Obi. One at a time, Shay call me. Moderator, block Obi out of my life now. Please
tap
now.
up his screenshot.
Obi go suck your man. Me I
Me not
can't be
reach
friend.
that scammer part there yet. Ask.
Obi, me I can't be friend. You fuck my wife. Me I can't be friend. You fuck my one time wife. Thank God for my money. Because everything done. Me and she done. Thank God for your money wanna give me on TikTok. Obi go suck your man. Listen. One at time Queenie and broke. She call me. Oh my God. Oh God. The master she for work the next day. Me I look for hospital. Me I look for her hospital. How me can't find her. Poor me go get catch in a trap because me love her. Poor me go get catch in a trap. Me say how much money fi deal with her aunt. She tell me money. And me deal with it. Can't believe the day when my son come try. I'm gonna try still enough. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try bring me down enough. I'm gonna try. Big up Obi, alright. Alright. Yeah, you get a fat block. Suck your mother.
She turn pancake for $700. The girl turn pancake cause she hungry as fuck. The girl hungry like dog over Belgium. Me unmute, me I hear him.
Hungry your blood clot.
The girl hungry like dog. Shade Stewart hungry. And
Hungry of
Altevis
fuck.
A's hungry like dog over Belgium. Shay, if you ramp with me, I'll queen your husband picture me I post if you ramp with me, girl. I'll queen your husband picture me I post marriage certificate, me I post advance parole, me I post everything dirty, girl.
Obi, I don't care where you want
Me
to
I
post
post
your
all your
page,
criminal
man.
record in America. Everything me I post, bitch.
Obi, I don't want to care where you want to post for your page, you know. But suck your man. And Swiss can't come to me and tell me about bumbo clot. He can't come to me and tell me about bumbo clot fix problem. Come with this him too. But suck your mother, Obi. That me make you know. You hear that? But name out your man. You fuck my wife when me and my wife did dead. But suck out your mother. That me make you know. Yeah, me not hide it. You fuck my wife. On the heart. You're married, Obi. Obi, you're married. And you fuck my wife, dog. But you feel like something now go no. But remember, some have people in Canada, bro. You see, we soon apart. And I feel like say on a private because go suck. You and Rosea go suck out to no mama. Go suck on no man. Remember that. Yeah. I'm gonna fuck out my wife. I'm gonna fuck my wife. My one-time wife. When we married. And we saw the Bible. You fuck my wife. Go suck your my Obi. That make you know.
As me say, if the girl come for me I post it on Instagram. On you follow me Instagram. Keem Billion. Comment it again. Keem Billion. On you comment it. Keem Billion. KEEM_Billion. Marriage certificate. Advance parole. Queenie husband. Queenie ex-girlfriend. Everything I post on me Instagram. Is posted.
Why you over here mix up the mix up?
Don't cry, me I fight with you on the internet, girl.
Rose, TikTok liar. He fuck my wife.
Who?
Me I fight with you on the internet. I kill her dead, nobody knows.
Oh, you know that.
Me sick.
Oh, you see it? You did it?
Lawyer, I am going to send you the picture with two
What you
of
mean?
them.
No.
Lawyer, me I go send you the picture with two of them. Then fuck my wife.
No.
No, no friend found no. Suck out to no mama. That make you know.
Him say no know your wife.
What? I didn't go on wife. Lawyer, wait no. Lawyer, text me now. Lawyer, text me on my phone now.
Me can't see no. Me can't see.
Lawyer, text me on my phone.
Me can't see.
You fuck out my wife.
Can't see no, me can't see. It get dark.
A good thing some never really love her. But the fabulous ball.
So when you find out,
When them send me picture,
who send you?
I want paid send me, I don't know. Anonymous. Them send me picture.
Yeah,
You see?
there.
And I feel like someone just a crush out.
You
So
just
liar.
get it, that's
And
why
you
you
come to
crush
me about,
out.
liar. You come to me about say sorry. I know saying I'm a artist. Burn me.
You there.
Maybe I go suck out your man. That
Oh,
make
that's
you
right.
all big go suck your mother boy.
Oh, that's why
You
the
reckon no fine
emotional
boy.
today.
When me emotional, they fuck my wife liar.
Good. Whew.
Watch them now, watch them now. Watch them now. Watch them now. Watch them now. Hey Rosea, me see him press something in your face.
But Obi saying not do it. So who you ever said then Obi?
Rosea, me see him press something in your face.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Liar, me not hide my feelings. I saw me feel right now. Me press something in your face. Remember that. Oh. Yeah. Me not go around, liar. Then
hot
fuck my
stuff.
wife. Liar, then fuck my wife.
Lord.
Liar, then fuck my wife.
So yeah, do you talk before then talk?
Me I talk before them talk.
Jesus.
Liar, you know, so me tell them rather bring on myself before they can do it, you know. Before they can hype on me, no liar.
You know, see make one video for you over in page, you see?
Liar, feel like, liar, long time I know this not liar, you see.
Mm-hmm.
And you see me just give some sneak thing. Me just give some sneak thing, liar. You see
Yeah.
me? Just give some sneak, but you don't know where it come from, bro. Me don't understand. Oh, no, no, me buy now, bro.
So that's why you're mad all this time.
That's why me mad all this time.
Okay.
Because me never want to learn no eat that. But then fuck my wife, liar. No business. Me like eat that now. So you go.
Ball man, nothing wrong. Say go.
No, me not ball. I'll stand up for me. Me not ball.
Talk before then talk.
Yeah, me a talk before them talk.
Talk before
And
then
then people feel like something just come out so you answer, yo, watch you know. Jayden I go bring down the girl if it nothing. The lawyer see night when me see video lawyer, at the same time I want to get the divorce quick. My marriage.
Your marriage. Yeah, my
I'm not
marriage.
come talk about she never come diss me upon the media yet. Miss it! What enough for this me? What this me in a real life? Go suck on a man. Rosea, you and your mother and the way your family go suck out your man.
No, let
That
me not tell her that, man. Let's tell her
No,
that.
man, me no business liar. Me no business. Oh, and cancel me. Me no business. Oh, no like me liar. Liar, me a talk me truth.
So when you ask her, what she say?
Um,
When you ask her, what she say?
that is AI. That's not real. That's AI. Go suck your mother, Rosea.
That's what she say? Oh.
Don't believe what they said on the media. For your sister come talk, me should have believed say a war for true. For your sister come talk, me should have believed say a war for true. But I'm the see sneaky ways them boy yo. Me the see sneaky ways them boy yo, but me never believe until me see. On a pussy dog, on a drain man energy you. You see time when she come play with blood clot Emmy liar. You see time when she come play with Emmy one night time and she know I get no gift. You know where you just sit up on the phone.
Match. Yeah,
You
what
know
she
where you
say?
just sit up on the phone. Jayden, you have the money. You should fucking shoot. And then they get it to be liar.
Oh, she don't want you to shoot.
She said, Jayden, you got the fucking money. Why didn't you fucking shoot? And daddy gets it to me, youth. Dear man. I don't want to hurt you. Ask
Okay.
Peter again. Me, Peter again, and Bumbuckler special. They on the fucking call, youth. I don't hurt me feeling the night, the youth. Me I telling you, now you're a dog.
You hot, man. You hot.
I make man feel like man a pussy, youth. Liar, me get a girl money if you start business, a liar.
The lip gloss business?
The lip gloss business and the bumbo clot. You see, your business was where you see that girl with a special she get it from. One of my supporter them, bro. Me, take special come to me and say, yo, Jayden, watch you now. Watch you now, Jayden. Here we do. Give her someone if you start a business, please. I'm gonna take my money out of my account. Me link my dog. Me not calling him because now I'm calling rubbish. Me not calling him. Yo, me hurt your fuck dog. Me I tell you something hurt, bro.
So she never do the business with the money?
She do the business, and when the people them order the thing, And so the people that order the thing, bro, and she make the money, bro, she never start about the business. You see?
So she just sell the one and go.
She start the business, yes.
Mm-hmm.
She start the business, yes, because me a pressure every day, me a pressure. Me a tell her, I say, Mama, if me I forgot always buy your ticket, me no want you.
So she never restock the lip gloss after the
Never
first time.
restock, bro. Me hurt, bro. I'm in
Oh,
a business. Who wants to see me as waste, man? Me no business. Who wants to see me a word like the same thing? I don't give a fuck. Me a talk about how me feel, liar.
mm-hmm.
Me take my money
So
for out of
you did. So you tell her. So everything we are tell we know. You express all of these things to her.
Liar, for you know me.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna be honest with me.
Yeah, may I listen?
Who run me no make no money?
He always make people make money. Yeah. Yeah, must make people make money. So you encourage her, but this you know, you can't teach somebody ambition. You know, it's either they have it or they don't.
Liar.
That's just it.
Liar. Listen to me, liar. Liar, listen to me, liar.
Mm-hmm.